Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 30 short English sentence for daily routine. So let's start the new lesson. रोज़ाना बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश फ़िक्रात. तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? तुम्हारी क्या तजवीज़ है? What is your suggestion? What is your suggestion? तुम्हारी क्या सोच है? What is your thinking? What is your thinking? तुम्हारी क्या ख्वाहिश है? What is your wish? What is your wish? तुम्हारी क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मेरे बात कहो. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मेरे रास्ते से हटो. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. I felt very bad. I felt very bad. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुम भाग नहीं सकते. You can't escape. You can't escape. मैं थोड़ी देर में आई. I come in a while. I come in a while. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? तंदुरुस्ती हज़ार नेमत है. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. मैं नहीं समझा. I don't understand. I don't understand. दूसरों पर मत हंसो. Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. अपनी किताबें बंद करो. Close your books. Close your books. अपना मुंह बंद करो. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? हम पानी पीते हैं. We drink water. We drink water. मैं मार्केट में जाता हूँ. I go to market. I go to market. कौन सी किताब खोलें? Which book to open? Which book to open? हम मछली पकड़ते हैं. We catch fish. We catch fish. इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है? What is such a hurry? What is such a hurry? मेरी खुशामद ना करो. Don't flatter me. Don't flatter me. मैं फिर आऊँगा. I will come again. I will come again. तुम्हारे मुंह में क्या है? What is in your mouth? What is in your mouth? तुम्हारे हाथ में क्या है? What is in your hand? What is in your hand? बहुत हो गया. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. खाओ मेरी कसम. Swear on me. Swear on me. आप नाश्ता कर लें. Have you breakfast? Have you breakfast? अगर आपने आज की वीडियो से कुछ नया सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें.